So I told you I was gonna do another one when we open up our Christmas presents, and of course that's what we're doing. So let me get a box or something. Give me that cup. Never mind. I'll just give me. I got Jenga. I'll lean out against Jenga. Okay, y'all can barely see my face because of the light, but open up. Hold on. Let me open up these boxes.
Oh my god, this is the best present.
Socks. Okay. Now, anyway, I got that, and I got this tracky phone holder like I got a tracky. It's this phone holder. You set the man on his bottom like this, and put your phone in it. But I might as well give that to somebody else. Let's see this. Give me that. Give me that. We think it's jealous.
Yeah.
I think it's not.
Yeah, but it does say
What's in it?
I don't know.
It's like cologne.
Open
It smells minty.
Open this.
Some of these presents are Derek's too, y'all. So
I know.
yeah.
Hold on, right?
Yeah, I think this is Derek's. Wait, why are these mine? I think this is Derek's.
Why you're opening
Hey, can be mine. We can cook this because our presents don't have names on them for some reason. Yeah, this is Derek. Oh my god, I'm about to go give this to him. Merry Christmas, Derek. Oh my gosh, this is the best Christmas present ever. This is for Derek.
Told you.
Oh my gosh, okay. Hold on, I'm walking into his room now. Is Derek up? Where's Derek? Where's Derek?
You know what I'm talking about?
Huh? Cause I want to give him his present.
This is present?
And a speaker.
Hasn't moved.
Where is he?
No.
Where is he?
No bad.
Where is he?
He's not here.
Like, where is he though?
He's not here. Doesn't matter where he is.
I didn't ask you where he ate. I asked you where he is.
I didn't ask you where he is. I asked you where he is.
No, I said I asked you where he ate. I asked you where he is.
But he ain't here, and he is not.
Okay, gosh. Okay. Ooh, I think this is for me. Yep, it's for me. Ooh.
Can I have the Christmas hat? The
No,
Santa
this
Claus
is
hat?
for Derek and Brad. I don't even know if that's his or not. Oh my gosh. This video isn't about to be long because, you know.
Is it Julia's or yours?
I don't know. It's a game board.
It's mine?
It's. What is it? Hold on. Oh, cool. They should really let us know who name is on here.
Whose is that?
This is ours.
Oh,
And then the rest of these are Derek presents. I feel like Derek got more than us and y'all got more than me.
that's exactly what Mom said.
Derek.
Calvin, what's that? I didn't snap.
Oh, this is mine. This is cute. Oh. Oh my god.
Because they said 100 games. So
Yo. Oh my god. My shoes are nice, bro. They're so. Huh? Look. Brad, look at my shoes.
Oh shit, that's what's up. They look like paint.
She got sauce.
It comes with a whole outfit. Ooh. These Nikes are actually nice.
DJ ain't getting no damn Nike. You got some Walmart brand shit.
Oh.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my god. But he got more gifts than us. Ooh, I might wear this today. You never know. Look. Now I'm talking to my YouTubers. Okay. Watch this. I got a whole outfit with it. Cool. Let me see yours. Bring them over here because they might not be yours. Yeah, these are yours. Oh, Julia got some sketches. She got some sketches. Oh, that's what's up. Okay. Huh?
I thought you were gonna fuck around and plug it in too.
I'm about to fuck around and plug the movie in. That's what I'm doing.
Hey,
Oh my gosh, I got the same pants as Desire.
that movie that Derek got for Christmas, the After Earth, with Will Smith and his son. Come on, bro, you never watched that show.
That shit booty.
Bro.
I got the same outfit as Desire. That's like the same pants. I mean the pants. Hey, Julia, let me see those panties and those bras and socks.
I don't have any.
That had to die. Child. Is this mine also? This is Julia's. Are you serious, bro? Bro, I'm dead serious. Julia,
Huh?
come here. First of all, these are mine. Second of all, where's the thing? The outfit that you got. This is mine. I think this is Julia's. Yeah, it's Julia's. Give me that outfit that you have put out that box. Yo, life is it's great for Christmas. Why would you do that?
Merry Christmas.
Thank you.
It's not yours, mine.
Yes, it is. It may be mine. You never know. It was the I'm just checking. Calm down. Anybody gonna take our stuff? Okay, there you go. Now,
Sir, can we,
oh, these are mine. Y'all don't need to see that.
Sir, can we play with this?
Brad, why?
Sir, can we
What? Yeah, right there. Yeah, I got some socks, dude.
Come on, then.
Life is great. It's awesome, dude. And then I got these. Oh my god. Oh, freak it, freak. Okay.
Mommy put those in the tree.
Yeah, your gloves are in there. Your gloves are in there. Oh, they're like socks with gloves. Yo, I swear, my mom, I love her so much. And who could fit these? These are for you and Derek, I think. No, these are for us. Yes, bro.
You want me to help you?
Yes. These are for Julia. Okay. Well, I guess we're done. Oh, and my presents. My last presents. Because all I said these are for me anyway, so.
We're going to do
It's a blanket. Yes! Merry Christmas. Hold on, let me go where there's good lighting. Oh, scissors. I forgot. Merry Christmas to all of you. As I can see, I opened my presents. You know, a little something. But, yeah, Merry Christmas to all of you. And if y'all want to give me a Christmas present and I like really mess with you and know you, then I want some lip gloss. So either clear or glittery lip gloss. Cause I want some glittery lip gloss. And if you want, you can add a color in there. Just make sure it's not blue or not like that. Make sure it's like red or pink or something like that. Or just clear, you know. But Merry Christmas to all of y'all. Love y'all. Peace. Hold on. That's not a good outro.